Beyond Trust Security Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people think cybersecurity is only about antivirus software, but you won't believe what happens next when internal access and privileged accounts aren't managed properly. They can become your biggest risk. Beyond Trust is a cybersecurity platform focused on privileged access management, vulnerability management, and secure remote access. It helps organizations protect sensitive systems from insider threats and external attacks. The surprising truth about Beyond Trust is that it goes beyond firewalls and antivirus. It monitors who has access to critical resources, enforces least privilege policies, and provides detailed audit trails to prevent breaches. Most people get this wrong. They assume strong passwords are enough. In reality, privileged accounts are a common target, and without proper management, businesses risk data leaks, regulatory penalties, and operational disruption. Beyond Trust is best for medium to large organizations with complex IT environments who need to safeguard sensitive data and maintain compliance. The surprising truth is that proactive access management can prevent incidents that traditional security measures might miss. Subscribe for more honest cybersecurity reviews that keep your business safe.